All right, welcome back to Geography with Jason, and today we're going to be trying to name all of the capitals of Europe. I'm not going to lie, this is going to be a little bit difficult for me, but let's go ahead and get started. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. It helps me out, and it motivates me to make more videos like this. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the capital of Montenegro. I'm really glad that they show where the place is. I should know this. Podgorica. There we go. Denmark. Next, I'm going to skip that one. I know this one. Chisinau. No. Oh, how do you spell this? All right, forget it. Poland, Warsaw. I know that one. Czechia. Why can I think of this today? Nope. Albania, Tirana. Russia, Moscow. Kosovo, I don't know that one. Cyprus. Estonia, Tallinn. Switzerland is Bern. Finland is Helsinki. Monaco, I have no idea. Belarus is Minsk. Italy is Rome. Liechtenstein, no idea. Luxembourg, don't know. Belgium, Brussels. Spain, Madrid. Andorra, don't know. San Marino, don't know. Serbia, Belgrade. Ireland, Dublin. France, Paris. Bosnia and Herzegovina. I should know this. I was thinking about going there recently. I can't think of the name. Oh, Sarajevo. There we go. Ukraine. Kiev. Turkey. Istanbul. Is that not how you spell it? Oh, that's right. It's Ankara. It's not Istanbul. What was I thinking? Okay, well, let's check the ones we missed. Monaco is Monaco. That's easy. Vatican City. San Marino. Okay, great. There's one I couldn't get. Oh, Prague, of course. Of Czech Republic there. Chisinau. Okay, I definitely spelled that one wrong. All right, so let's go with the replay and let's try this again. All right. Play quiz. All right. France, Paris, Ukraine, Kiev. Or Kiev. Malta? No. Doesn't work like that. Latvia, Riga. Denmark. Oh, I just forgot to look at this one. I should know this. Oh, Copenhagen. That's right. Lithuania is Vilnius. Can't believe I spelled that right. This is Prague. I should have known that. Split, Croatia. No. That's where everyone goes. It's Zurg. All right, forget it. Austria, Vienna. Monaco is Monaco? Yes. Hungary is Budapest. Slovakia, Bratislava. Finland, Helsinki. Moldova, Chisinau. There we go. Madrid. Sweden is... Oh, man. I'm really out of it. Let's see. Sweden is... The only city I know in Sweden. Why can't I think of it right now? All right, we'll come back to it. Turkey is Ankara. United Kingdom is London. Italy is Rome. We got those. Estonia, Tallinn. Sarajevo for Bosnia. I always spell it wrong. Greece is Athens. Germany is Berlin. Belgium is almost put Munich there. Brussels. Russia is Moscow. Bern, Switzerland. Kosovo. I don't know that one. I should really look that up. Cyprus. I don't know Cyprus. Is it Cyprus, I mean? No. Iceland. Reykjavik. No. Luxembourg, I have a feeling. Yes, okay. Andorra, is Andorra? No. Netherlands. Amsterdam. Slovenia. Ooh. Ljubljana. Don't know. Albania is Tirana. Portugal is Lisbon. Liechtenstein, maybe? No. Oslo for Norway. North Macedonia is Skopje. Serbia, Belgrade or Belgrade. Belarus is Minsk. Bulgaria, Sofia. Romania is Bucharest. Ireland, Dublin. Vatican City is Vatican City. Poland is Warsaw. Oh, we're actually getting close, doing better than I thought. Podgorica. Malta, I'm not sure. Croatia is Zagreb, I think it is. Yes. Sweden. I know this city. Why can I think of it? It's the only city I know in Sweden, too. Don't know. Iceland, I don't know how to spell. All right, let's just give up. Stockholm, of course. Stockholm Syndrome. Reykjavik is with a Y, and then the J's after. Andorra La Vella. Okay, Valletta, Malta. Nicosia. Yeah, I haven't heard of these. Pristina. Vaduz. All right, let's try it again. La Valletta or Valletta with two T's. There we go. Now we're off to a good start. Kosovo is Pristina. Remember that one? Kiev. Bucharest. Liechtenstein is Vaduz. Awesome. Rome. Germany, Berlin. France, Paris. Monaco is Monaco. Slovenia is, oh boy, LJU. Biana, maybe I give up on that one. LJUB, can't really see this. There we go. LJUBLJANA. Ljubljana. Something like that. Let's try again. Rome, London, Bucharest. Andorra is... No, it was like Andorra La Valle? Or... Let's try it again. Andorra, what is it? And La Vieja? No. Vella, that was it. There must be two or more ways to spell it, right? Madrid. Belarus is Minsk. Iceland is Reykjavik. Norway is Oslo. Croatia is Zagreb. Oops, Zagreb. Portugal is Lisbon. Liechtenstein, no, is Vaduz. Switzerland is Bern. Albania is Tirana. Warsaw. Netherlands, what is... Oh, Amsterdam. Duh. Cyprus is Noskoya? Wait, I think it's Nosokia. No. All right. Cyprus. Nicosia. Nicosia. Moldova, Chisinau. Vatican City is Vatican City. Ukraine is Kiev. Bulgaria is Sofia. Kosovo is Pristina. Bosnia is Sarajevo. Spell that right this time. Serbia is Belgrade. Austria is Vienna. Hungary is Budapest. Turkey is Ankara. Monaco is Monaco. Ireland, Dublin. Slovakia, Bratislava. Luxembourg. Lithuania, Vilnius. Wait. Oh boy, how do you spell this? I had it right the first time is the funny thing. Lithuania. My sister-in-law's from there. She wouldn't be Vilnius. Oh, one L. She wouldn't be happy about this. Finland is Helsinki. San Marino. Sweden is Stockholm. I won't forget that one now. Skopje from North Macedonia. Slovenia. Oh boy. I think if I type it out, it'll help a lot. LJUBL. Jana. Estonia, Tallinn. Russia, Moscow. Denmark, Oslo. No, sorry. That's Norway. Copenhagen. Prague, Berlin. Latvia, Riga. Montenegro, Podgorica. Greece, Athens. France, Paris. Malta is La Valletta. Wait. No? Wait. Valletta? Yeah. Belgium is Brussels. So I got it with cheating this time. So I forgot a few. Slovenia, LJUBL, Ljubljana. All right, let's try this again without cheating and see if we can get it, but it's going to be tough. Oh, good. Ljubljana. Wow. Glad I started with that one. Skopje, not sure how to say that. Pristina, Greece, Athens, Estonia, Tallinn, Turkey, Ankara. The things you have to spell these right too, right? Vatican City is Vatican City. United Kingdom, London. Norway, Oslo. Moldova, Chisinau. Iceland, Reykjavik. Cyprus is Nicosia. Oh my gosh, I got that right. San Marino. Slovakia is Bratislava. Come on, we're doing great. Brussels, Poland, Warsaw. Now a little bit more to go. Almost halfway. Madrid, Bulgaria, Sofia. Andorra is Andorra La Vella. I said it wrong, but typed it in correctly. Helsinki, Croatia, Zagreb. Lithuania, Vilnius. Netherlands is Amsterdam. Malta is Valletta? Yes. France is Paris. Italy is Rome. Monaco is Monaco, is that correct? Liechtenstein, Vaduz. Romania, Bucharest. Bosnia, Sarajevo. Montenegro is Podgorica. Denmark is Copenhagen. Sweden is Stockholm. Latvia is Riga. Ireland, Dublin. Czechia, Prague. Germany, Berlin. Serbia, Belgrade. Austria, Vienna. Switzerland, Bern. Hungary, Budapest, and last one, Luxembourg, Luxembourg. Yay, we did it. All right. So that was not too bad, actually. I think I did okay. I probably knew about half before coming in, but if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll go ahead and make more videos.